host this Jessica or somebody that goes.
Do it.
Yay! There we go. Right, here we go. We're at the circle, and the turnout here is absolutely phenomenal in the memory of the great Flum, who did some good things for Brakpan. Phenomenal things. God, man. Rest in peace, brother. High five, bro. Oh, it's coming down now. That's going to be an insurance nightmare. There we go. What a nice one that is. Cool, eh? That's the one, eh? The way Flum goes. Yeah. Okay, it's the 6th of December, and it's a really sad day. Rest in power, Mr. Flum.
These people are not even hiding it anymore. They're not even hiding it. Keeping Up with the Madlanga Commission has exposed the rot, unchecked power. People don't care. Even if they are lying, even if their lies, corruption has destroyed the lives of many people. The minister, for example, nakaqala ilona yakhe, he really doesn't care. Why can't they just say it? Why did they disband the PKTT? And you know, the arrogance, long answers as if you're giving speech. Our Shem Senzomtunu, thank you so much for showing us good. You know what? You guys are holding position. You need to be grateful. Ogotilo comradeship has worked for you guys for years. But right now, you know what? We are not taking it anymore. Watching the Madlanga Commission has been frustrating. People giving long answers with bad. Realizing they're not getting away with it, they change their statements, and you just realize, good, you know what? They are so sure things are still like.
Ngizokhuluma kakhulu ngalento yodaba lweMadlanga Commissioner. Sebevelile ofakazi baningi futhi sesibonile noma sesize amajaji singewona ukuthi kahle kahle ubani nobani kufanele ngabe ulinde uphenyo oluqhubekayo esejele. Sinabo labo bantu engqondweni zethu njengabahlali base South Africa. Engizokudlulisa ukudabuka okukhulu ngokuthi udaba selihambe laze lakhipha isidumbu ngaphansi kafakazi. Ngaphe kwalokho ngiphinde futhi ngidlulise ubuhlungu obuphindiwe ukuthi ubaba uSenzo Mchunu uzibone emsulwa uzuyabuya usebuye ihlandla lesibili usephethe ummeli okufanele amele kulento. Nommeli angazi kushuthi asikhulanga nabantu abazositshela iqiniso noma basiphikise ngenxa yokulamba kammeli uzomela le yanto eyaziwa yizwe lonke ukuthi mdinge boshiwe uSenzo Mchunu. Ugagu noma ubulwane kummeli ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi bakhona abanye abantu abadluliswe kulento mhlambe balichitha lolu daba lokuthi beze beyolimela eParliament. Ubaba ngabubaba noma ubhuti uncuka ithobi. Ikhona into wrong ekhanda kuyena. Ikhona into wrong mawumuntu uphila unomndeni nezingane nonkosikazi awukwazi ukuphuma uthatha isikhwama noma ngabe ulambe kangakanani uyomela umuntu owenza isibhico ngesingaka eSouth Africa. Kunabantu abafa, abanye babo bathunjwa, abanye babo banikwa ama-drugs alethwa uholo lukaSenzo Mchunu. Iningi lama-drug cartels la okukhulunywa ngawo indlela yokudlula ayomosha abedlula ngesignature kaSenzo Mchunu ngokweposition kaSenzo Mchunu ehlangene nabanye asebenzisana nabo abanjengo Shadrack Spear. Kulabo abantu abalethwe nje ngophenyo oluphambili sabasola sashaya amakhala sisonke kufanele ngabe basejele, ngabe akalimele, ngabe akashonile uWitness D. Mhlambe lento bafethu izosikhumbuza ukuthi simunye kangakalani, asikhathalele ukuthi black, white, Indian and colored singabantu sonke base South Africa. Lento sisibuyisela lapho. Akukho emzweni nasengqondweni ukuthi umlungu noma ngakuthiwa sithi abelungu kushona umuntu wase South Africa la osemusha. Yebo singasho ngokuvumelana sithi abelungu this abelungu that lo yamlungu noma lo yabhuti wohlanga olimele umfowethu ufela lento futhi esingayifuni nawe inkohlakalo. Ngidabukela abantu abafana noBaba uMchunu okhalweni abalakhele einganeni ngisho isisu sakhe. Isisu sakho ke kunenkulumo eyithi noma ingemnandi ethi amacala abazalayo wele einganeni uqilaza inzalo yakhe ngalesenzo. Qilaza izizukulwane eziphuma ngaphansi kokhalo lwakhe ngalesenzo sokuqunga isibindi equnga into ebulela abantu nesabulala abantu njengoba kufa ofakazi ukube wayelungile ngaphansi kweposition yakhe. Ngabe okunye kwezinto akwenzeki kanje, ngabe ufakazi usekhona uyaphila. Ngiyadabuka ngommeli, ngidabukela ukuthi khona sizomenza khona liyothethwa ekugcineni, liyothethwa ngezizukulwane zakhe ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ngemfundo yakhe azomela ihlazo elibulalizwe. Ephuma nje kumkakhe ethi uya ecaleni likasenzo Mchunu. Usuke sumhlazile lo muntu umtshela ngento ayazi ukuthi the whole country yayiphikisa, wena ngokuhlakanipha nangokulamba uyoyimela. Noma ngakuthiwa uqeqo olungakanani uncuka ithobi lommeli, ungena endaweni engadingeki kulento ukuthi angaqhamuka nolwazi, ngaba amajazi, ama-degree diploma, asazi bafunda abaphelelepi. Bekungesona isikhathi sokuqhamuka. Kanjalo futhi nobaba uMchunu. Uyazazi imiso zomuntu owonile, bake baboshwa abantu. La bekunesikhathi sokuthi mawuphamba ukuphamba ububaleke, bibalekelwe into ebucayi bayobhaca. Kunabantu lana bakhulele kwamanye amazwe kule genge lendala kwapolitiki. Kwakufanele kube nento enjalo ngoba uSiqungu ufuna ukuphila ngenkani eSouth Africa, ufuna ukuphila ngenkani empangeni ngakubo. Ufuna ukuphila ngenkani phakathi kwabantu ababulalisile, abangenababa namhlanje ngenxa yoholo lwakhe, yilo lolu nemfundo noma nemfundiso yakhe. Nokukhulu ukuthanda ukuphika nokukhuluma isingisi kakhulu. Angifuni ukwanda ngayo, kunamacala azohlula la emhlabeni athethwe ngenye indlela eseyimphumela emibi ezizukulwaneni zethu. Kodwa nje lo baba lokuthi uncuka ithoba ummeli kaSenzo Mchunu ziyosengwa inkehli. Sesikhulumile ngayo yonke indlela nabafowethu. Sincenga lolu daba, siphana ithemba, silungisa, sekuze kwashona umuntu oku-witness D. Ngaleso sikhathi iMadlanga ngisaqhubeka isathi idonsa ufakazi, bangaka abazofa. Ijele livulwa nini, livulelwa abanjani? Nini? Kufanele kuze kufe bani? Sibangaka esasiphika lento ukuthi ayingenzeki, akungenwe endaweni ethile kwenziwa ukuthi ngapha abantu noma abahlali basabona ukuthi bayalitshaziswa, bona into ela ekhanda ipolitiki ukuthi mina ngiyini ngakithi. Na umonakalo sidinga siyi-unity, singenayo leyo nto ukuthi ngakini uyini. Ayidingeki leyo ukuthi ubhuti kangakanani ngakini. Ayidingeki ukuthi unemali kangakanani okufanele lento uyithathe emafonini ugcine. Kunezinto ezidinga i-unity nengqondo namadoda ahlakaniphile. Aphumele obala avikele isizwe, uvikele izingane nabantu besifazane abanawo amandla njengami nawe. Abanako ukucabanga ngokusheshsha njengami nawe. Yini ufuna ukunconywa emakhoneni ungaphumela obala, sihlanganeni bafowethu sibone indlela yokuphuma kulento. Isidinga abantu besilisa le. Bese sivumela lenkulumo ento okuhlula amadoda kuyabiwa. Sehlulekile nakho, sehlulwe yini singakazami lutho. Kulungile bafowethu, ngibonge bekudlulisa nje leso simo ukuthi ummeli uThobi ubani uncuka ithobi kuthi angithi uThobile. Unesibindi kakhulu. Ngeke ngifise nokwazi noma ngingenendaba nokuthi isibindi esingaka umuntu wakuliphi izwe. Kodwa mangizwe isibongo ufanele ukuba wangapha ko-Eastern Cape ngokwemvelaphi, kodwa akangikho lapho ngoba nabase-Eastern Cape kuseyabantu sodwa nabasibafiseli futhi into ezimbi kunje yena uvele kabi wavela sinenkinga siyi-South Africa uzomela umuntu okungenzeka kubo wangapha kwenye iprovince, yena uyammela uyamvuna, thina beprovince siyamchitha. Cala lakhe liyoqulwa ngeindlela ezihlukene.
Mina ngithi mabashiswe. Yeah, showcase. I know mabashiswe. Zineyinhliziyo ezimbi lezi. Bulawa wena journalist, kwabulawa wena accountant, kwabulawa wena whistleblower yakuphi kuphi, kwabulawa wena witness D. Kwabulawa wena patients eThembisa Hospital ngendaba ukuthi bashontsha ama-2 billion. Hayi. Mina ngazi mangakudini le ndaba lena. iMadlanga commission ingenzela kancane. Senzela kancane. They don't even deserve to be in prison. They don't even deserve to be having prison food. They don't deserve to be wearing orange overalls. How many families, how many lives? And then zidididi. praising about Ket Matlala. Hey, he's so fine. Hey, in. These men are disgusting. Hey, Julius Mkhonazi, man, I'm too innocent. I'm fighting and he didn't know what he was doing. They're outlining his Wemby. Okay, team will leave. Hey, what put on my bills now? Praising criminality. And then Jane Balandin one by one. And screw their families. Asinandaba ukuthi abantwana abo banibani abomama abafazi babo bayenze njani abashonile abantu laba, they are benefactors of the crime le. La madoda anenhliziyo ezimbi. Yo, yazi nami ngikhuluma kakhulu bazangicima. Mara yo, Nkosi.
Is it a coincidence that all these things are happening in the city that the airport is in? The OR Tambo International Airport is in the city of Ekurhuleni. The OR International Airport is in the city of Ekurhuleni. Is it a coincidence that all these shenanigans are happening around or in the city where this airport is? The Tembisa Hospital saga, that's Ekurhuleni. Morgan Maumela, Ked Matlala and their crew. Julius Mkhwanazi affording the blue lights to Ket Matlala's vehicles, that's all in Ekurhuleni. Julius Mkhwanazi is the commissioner in Ekurhuleni. Now Witness D killed in Ekurhuleni. Can't be a coincidence. Something big is happening in the city. Something very big is it's going down in the city of Ekurhuleni. Strange that DA had also a mayor here not long ago. EFF, it's part and parcel of the leaders of this, same as the ANC. I think it's time that DA, EFF and ANC together, they must take accountability for the mess that's happening in the city. Because a whole lot of things, yes, are discussed at the ad hoc committee, Matlanga Commission, but they are happening in Ekurhuleni. The keyword is every single thing that we're talking about, majority of it is happening in Ekurhuleni. Lieutenant Colonel Kilebogile Thape, or I think it's Tipaya, she was kidnapped and a whole lot of things happened to her in Tembisa, Ekurhuleni. She's the or the media, she's heading the media unit for the EMP, Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department. Whole lot of shenanigans are surrounding Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department. Killings are happening in Ekurhuleni. The airport is in Ekurhuleni. What is it that comes with this airport? Who's in charge? Because the police that are surrounding or safeguarding or protecting the airport are the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Department. Are they really protecting that space? Or are they complicit of many things that are happening in that airport? So a whole lot of things that are happening that makes no logical sense. They're all happening in Ekurhuleni. Has Ekurhuleni turned now into what we call the city of God, like the movie that was shot in Brazil depicted, where lawlessness, gangsterism had just become rife? Has that city of Ekurhuleni become the city of God?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Residents of Brakpan were gathered around the house of Marius van der Merwe, Lobes Madinga, witness D, who was gunned down a few days ago in front of his wife and kids. So bebalaita makandlela lapayana remembering him njengoba sishile emhlabeni. Balabaningi beva buhlungu kakhulu, and some people feel ukuthi we are not angry enough as South Africans because state witness basibulala njani kuthuleke no suspect like there's nothing nje, and we know ukuthi iyophelela emoyeni nje lenzaba uyofa njena kube ngazuthi kushone mhlambe enqangozi or inja, we don't know, but i-president yethu, some people are saying ukuthi i-president yethu ngiyo lesifeyila kuRamaphosa, like he's really failing us because people are saying ukuthi tinkingala letiningi kahle kahle tidalwa nguye, ticalwa nguye, because why is he quiet? Le ndzaba le bekose isukunyelwe. Some people are even saying ukuthi ababoshwe nje bosibiya bonke bomkhwanazi ababoshwe because what is this? May his soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'm signing out. So good.